Hey guys, again. Today we're going to do Mastery number 9, which was the types and their use in Python. So basically, and to begin with, we have three types: the string and the integer and the floating point. So let's start with the string. We put up, for example, a variable that's named name and put as value Dorian. Simple enough. It's a string, it's a chain of signs put together, and if you want to check the type, you just use the function type and put in here the variable you want to check, press enter, and it's going to tell you, okay, yeah, that's a string. STR is the short term for the string. So if you're asking yourself now, does it only have to contain letters? No, it does not. So you could, for example, use name2, Dorian 2. And if you ask now, okay, I've got a digit in now, so is it still a string? Yes, it is. Since a digit is still a sign and it's a composition of different signs, it's still a string. Okay, the next one is going to be an integer. Let's put up, for example, x equals 13. Check what kind of type it is. Of course, it's an integer. That's full numbers without any floating points, no decimals, just pure numbers without anything else. So, of course, you use those for, little mathematical operations like 1 plus 2, and he's going to spit out 3 or anything in that relation, and you can just use them for, as I said, if you want to use some math that is quite leisure. Okay, next one is gonna be the floating point. So let's just say FLT, it's the name of the variable, and put the value 13.13, and check, okay, what kind of type is float or FLT, and it's gonna say float, of course, because there you have, the floating point, the decimal area, and so that's what you use them for. So, for example, operations, mathematical operations that can't be, grasped within usual, normal, full digits, and so you have to use the decimal area. All right. And in addition, as I said, the string is more or less, even if you just want to print a message or something small, you're just going to go like hello world. For example, the easiest one is going to tell you hello world. And if you want to check again what kind of type that is, you just type it in hello world, and it's going to tell you it's a string. Alright, so you don't have to necessarily initiate some kind of variable like we did with the x or with the name. You can just check whatever you have in mind via the type and put in whatever kind of stuff you like. Let's say GH546, and he's gonna tell you at the moment nothing because I forgot this, that it's a string still. Alright, so depending on what you want to use, keep in mind what type is responsible for what operations and how you use them. String as a chain of signs, int for full digits and for full numbers, and floating point for numbers also including the decimal area. So thanks for listening, hope you learned a little something today. Bye.